and welcome back to day 12 of Amped RC's Advent Calendar RC car build. We are day 12, that means we are halfway through the build because obviously it's a 24-day calendar. What that also means is we are 13 days or 24 and a half days off the big day and the big man finally coming to see us and hopefully deliver us some lovely RC car goodies, or at least RC vehicle goodies. Anyway, enough of me waffling. Let's look at day 12 and see what we get. There it is down the bottom here. Oh, it looks a bit circular. So that can only mean one thing. Well, I say it can only mean one thing. It can only mean four things. Tyres. And there we are, yep. And there are... Oh. We have two tyres. Two tyres. Yeah, I'm too tired. Oh my God. I can't believe I just did that. Yep, roast me in the comments, please. I don't deserve. Anyway, we've got two tyres. So that means, being a four-wheel drive, we need two more tyres, and they're probably going to come in the next few days. But there we are. They are just plastic wheels made to look like beadlocks. They're not. They're plastic tyres. They might be rubber, actually. There's no inserts, they're just air. And they go on with a hex. You might be able to see that. And a screw. There are your two screws. Right, let's look at getting them on. So here we are. There is your tyre, there is your screw. We just need to get that in. Just like that. And there's the other one I did earlier. And there we are. We have two tyres. So I'm not sure whether you're meant to put them on the front or the rear first. I've put them on the rear because I wanted to. And there we are. I have just noticed the tyres can slip straight off the rim because they're not beadlocks. So it does mean if you do want to fill the tyres with something, whether you want to put some weight in there just to make it easier, you can do. Then again, it is just a £50 cheaper rock crawler, so you're really going to be adding weight. Anyway, that concludes day 12 of our RC car rock crawler advent calendar. I'm going to end the video there because I'm a little bit sleepy because I'm too tired. Oh God, I've done it again. Sorry, apologies, my terrible humour. Anyway, there we are. That's the halfway point. So from this point on now, we are decreasing in steps and getting closer to driving this thing. Brilliant. Stay amped. Merry Christmas.